Just finished washing it. Next I got to pull the calipers off and paint those yellow. I don't know what they were thinking painting them red. I'm going to have to remove the tint because it's illegal. I hate to do it because I love the limo tint on this. But some cop will give me a ticket. This is with the 1-inch Hotchkiss drop springs, front and back. Would have been nicer if it had gone down another 1/2 inch in the rear. But it's not a bad stance at all. If I went down another 1/2 inch, I'd probably be scraping the exhaust. Front came out perfect. I wouldn't want it any lower than that. So on this one, again, like I said in my previous video, I've got a set of four rear brakes. Rear wheels. So those are 20x9s front, 20x9s back. And I've got the exact same 275/40 ZR20s on the front as I do on the back. Same size all the way around, so it makes it so I can actually rotate the tires. And at $350 a tire, you want to do all you can to preserve them as long as you can. I got the brand new bumper, I got everything for it except for the paint. I need to pick up about 1 quart. It's going to be a 2-stage paint, base coat, clear coat. I'm going to be using DuPont Centauri acrylic enamel and Chroma Clear. I usually don't like factory wheels, but man, I love these wheels. These wheels, man, are something that I would pick to go on this car. I like them much better than the original wheels that were on it. I removed all of the stuff that you may have noticed in the last video because the sunroof actually had quit working, and when it was at the auction they put this protective clear tape on top here to seal it off, and that stuff was a pain to get off. You can actually buy and I'll show you in a minute, an eraser wheel that attaches to a drill, and then you use that to remove. It melts and it heats up as it spins, and it melts off the glue and the clear tape. And then use a goof off to remove the residue, the sticky glue residue. Man, I love the way this thing smells in here. Still smells like a new car after all this time. Michelin PlayStation 4s. See what those rear spacers do? Pushes the wheel out so it's flush with the well, it's basically flush. 20mm spacer right there, front and back, and it's a spacer adapter. It actually has 5 lug nuts that it comes with and bolts on from Bulletproof Off-Road Racing Adapters. Made in USA. Forged T60 61 alloy. Still a little cold to paint, but it's beginning to warm up. And when I paint the front bumper cover, I'll be painting the BMR strut tower brace also. That should definitely be yellow. Now the eraser I'm talking about is really good for removing pinstripes, it actually comes with the attachment. So you can just attach it to any drill. And then, Gugan, not Kufaf. Gugan is really good for removing anything like stickers, bumper stickers, anything that's been stuck on for a while, you know, the glue. It won't remove the plastic, but it will remove the glue. So it does take a little bit of work. And the rubber eraser doesn't leave any scratch marks. That's the thing I was mainly afraid of, scratching it. But it actually went from here to here, all the way down, and then it came all the way over to here. Somebody got a little overzealous with the clear protective tape. Anyway, questions, comments, leave them below. If you want to see more, subscribe. Thanks for watching.